Hi, welcome to Poleeno Multimedia. Today is another exciting video. My name is Israel Armstrong Poleeno Ade. So unsubscribe to the channel now, subscribe. Now click a bell notification so that anytime we drop any video, you get it straight. Call Instagram, file phone, no. Call Instagram, Poleeno_com. Ne follow your hustle because your hustle you post the exclusive videos and exclusive pictures. So na be also be home be now who the ekoso internet no so and I say amount for 10 times. So I don't know whether it's correct or not. Say only say metia, then you come, then you correct me. Me who say nkofo me can't and I say me bube na metia, then they will come and correct me. Big ups to all of you. I mean, you know you see and they what I say they be a from people. So thank you very much for teaching me all these kinds of proverbs in Chi. Now, the American says, Shatta Wale Kumerica. Shatta Wale Kumerica. And then, I mean, and live video be on the social media page, you know. So say, we're releasing you be a feature Kumerica boys. Now, Paluta, Ypee, Phrimpong. Yeah, Phrimpong is very good. Yeah, that Ashtown boy. Yeah, proud Ashtown boy. I mean, this track no a dope and a Shatta Wale who continue premiere no live on the page and and see no the way the vibe enter him no he won't go Kumasi like Binyananko Kumasi right now. So the next morning you see and say Shatta Wale in Kumerica and then we heard a massive support from airport to the radio station to the streets everywhere. Shatta Wale Ajay Afa. Now as some of you say Onya vesa wa hin na den to na man ko Kumerica. Ni nyina no ye de ebebro. Before Bibiano, mama can sure say on 28th of November 2020 and next year like oh video in next year I mean 2020 this year yeah, on 28th of November no family Zach GH and Papa Kumasi eba oboase live. I mean nyina Ypee ya che COVID eba intimi nyina intimi mpie. The rate is 20 Ghana per 20 Ghana cedis per. I mean I wish I could pay for like 10 or 20 people so we all come and enjoy it together. I'm making sure that this show no, I mean in their family to me and then don't forget so we're releasing a current album greater than I mean come and experience the vibe and stuff like that. 20 Ghana per or boase wherever you are biano closer to your boase even if you are far now you can even come because even rating of airful and see what the be a full or some bit me abedru. And she said, "American, you ever call now? I heard the details in here, ma. Pa about Kumerica. Free. I mean, this track, no. I mean, you drop it in a banger. When you say Shatta was this Kumerica guys, I was on there. And you drop it a banger. Yeah, I want you nim Kumasi now nim I want you ni jeni na ho na koso. I mean, na ho dope. Na me go Kumerica na ho na de bia me kokosen. Me ko chele. Weekends na me ne some dark sumo ene otwino so mo kabo ma achale. Ye chele a asa de enchida. I mean, I want you ho dope. Anytime I'm in Kumasi bia na make sure say me koko. Kumerica with me. This be Kofi Jamal. That Kofi Jamal too is sick. He's a hip hop guy. Nobody, no. See the band to my boy with the shadow stop and a different stuff. The band to my boy is the warrior. And I believe in the American dream and I joy and down. Kush up, roll up in us in the office, Charlie. The boy is a bad. Surely confidential. My leg and I'm I'll be keeping against that. The leg and I'm keeping against that. What I say? So the man no can leg no I say oba no say girl no about and against that. What I say? We hear soccer. I mean, it's a Kumerica vibe, innit? You training BBI. Utsna system ni me be foul. The system no e be foul. Comfort colleague be say e be foul. Don't force to be guy if you are not. It's a steez. It comes naturally. We don't buy swag. It's from Redeem. It's in the blood. It's in Kumerica. For Kumerica, I mean, you don't have to force it. But the American say, Shatta Wale, what you say, because you used to Kumerica boys near any day. I was so tiao. Shatta. I was some guy say Kumerica president no only senior YOC. Easy, Ebani say na. Also, Kohuna now pick a cram and Shatta Wale. Yen joke as a cry. Yen joke as it. Because we are Shatta Wale. We are pam. Ghana ha obia at on home pampan. Unti Yenoko who senior why you cinema and kakra. Because unti mean you see Kumerica boys in Obra president at our own home. I'm free.
Yo, this whole thing is gonna be crazy. This weekend in Kumasi, we're shooting this video in Kumasi, and it's gonna be mad, man.
That's it. Oh, shooting video no Kumasi and TBB crazy this week. Kumasi be cheaper. So if Tafo Bremai around, but anywhere you are, be and so person a part of the video. I mean, I was all link here. Oh, they Tafo Bremai. Ube home.
This whole way. Also, yeah, you want to join in the video? Yeah, just get clean, man. We're doing this for the community, man.
Hey, Paluta. That guy can Paluta. That guy is bad. I mean, this guy is the next big thing in Ghana. I mean, mark my words, this Kumerica Queen Paluta guy is massive. The style is unique, is street. Until you'll be able to rap there, I mean, mark him down. Man, they make him A-list, what you say? In the pop battles, who beef, you better cattle. When you was rushing to 7% and then cattle. The street battles, then the factest. Boys at your jail, at your jail, my practice. On your minute, don't you? Rastafari, I don't matches, factest. Yamina tones, Rastafari, I'm not matches. I can Paluta. I mean, I mean, Rastafari, they almost matches. Now, can Paluta? What time of the day? Monday, yet day. Paluta, what time Manchester now? What the day? Try me, but I'm ready. You come from what's the sauce? Who feel it? I'm off. The money that change all off. What's your phone now? American, I said to Bama. I don't come to power. I'm crying about him. I mean, we are countries the boys are on heat. We are taking the music industry back home, you understand? We're taking the music industry to Kumerica. I mean, all the artists there. Mama Ganjo the Cheeky Check as well. One of the dopest senior most ever rappers in Kumerica. Cheeky Check, Cheeky Africa. I mean, go check him out. Or he's very dope, very hot artist.
Yo man, I'm telling you, man. See these guys now we are feature. Let me say because of anything. If we once we had to listen to them.
Shatta Wale catch you. I said they are the boys out with you. So I'm telling you from today onwards, add them to your playlist. You understand?
Force for Ghana.
And trying my shine and Tom so giddy. From now on, start it here.
I swear,
you understand the vibe.
I don't just do this. I ain't getting me. Don't be anybody tell me say make I do this to me now for the love of it, you know. Shout out to TF Kali, man. You guys made this happen, man. I respect you guys forever, man. That's how we do the streets for life, man, nigga.
Wow, this is another talent I told you earlier about Phrimpong. This rapper was on Zion Felix Kumerica All Stars. I mean, to me, the lines, you know, I can't through. Oh yeah, I don't know, maybe the Ashtown vibe or something, but it's too dope for me. Yeah, the style of rap, no, it's too dope for me. The Ashtown vibe and everything, no, I like it. I like him. Yeah, started what? Yeah, started because
streets for life, man. Nigga.
Yeah, but party, I'm first come man, pony. Dress, yeah, check it, me. Hey. If I do, Mao, by Drew,
Phrimpong.
A comedy, a craft, fresh, Ashtown boy. Yeah, you come with change about me, them into change. I said, yeah, that's my vibe. That's why I told you, say, don't force to do something. Don't force to be someone. Don't force to be guy. Don't force to get a swag. Be yourself, you understand? Boy, my we can concern me, my papers because I'm the Ashtown boy. I fuck girls, they fresh shut down. What's he about to try the other put down? I'm in the bank, I'm in the Kuzo, I'm in the radio, tune for the pattern. I come here fried rice, and you're so nice, I would like to check the best set out. But I only had that fuck on my Ashtown, bad boy, but the back, The boys are dope, innit? The boys are fucking dope. Ashtown there. When you guy and fuck girl, Charlie, I'm better papa on a soup. 8 town. In Roma, not downtown. Don't come there. So on your guy, I remember. I be spark. On your guy, I remember how my bobo Sunday and no power. And my bobo. I think we have to listen to our it's a penis.
Listen to Ypee.
The last little snake and the jacket. Yeah, I'm scanning, bro. No, we ain't gonna give you the money. You understand? It's all your bad and you think say I'm good dating Kumerica guy we now. With ya, Charlie forget it. We know they pay. We don't get money to pay. I could touch Jens snake. You knew what time. Open jay. Asem no kwena maka. Voice number the man number far home but won't Charlie. Oh, but me dey meet you. Oh, you can ask my girlfriend. You can ask my girlfriend. I really pay a lot.
Confirm me, I'm afraid you don't share me vegas the next day. Big up to Shatta Wale, show you do all. Remember say you are practice blue ball. Say Chrome boys, they come here the full force. Good day come and come out to the full.
Oh, say Chrome boys, we are coming with a full force. We are coming to take the industry back home, and then everybody is going to be part of this movement. It's a Kumerica movement to the world, and then trust me, this movement, afa. And let me remind you that there is Ashanti Music Awards coming off this December. Big awards. The awards will be expected from way back. It's finally in. It's finally in. And these are the reasons Shatta Wale Kumerica no. They are shooting a music video for the Kumerica music video now. They are shooting a music video for Kumerica nyom na why you know. And the boys in our town. Shatta Wale our town. But Shatta, you still have to pay. You still have to pay because you can't use our boys just like that for a music video. We got love for you, the pam people got love for you, but you need to pay. My name is Poleeno there. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure that anytime we post here, you watch, you like, and you share. Share your comments, share your thoughts. Anything you think we are not doing right, you need to, prompt us so we will get to do them. My name, as usual, Poleeno there. Follow us on Instagram, Poleeno_com. And then, bro, bye bye, my crown.